Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. This is another video on Arduino in Tinkercad web application. Okay, and today's topic is that buzzer circuit on Tinkercad web application using Arduino UNO board. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, I will discuss the circuit and the sketch for buzzer circuit on Tinkercad using Arduino UNO board. So let's dive in. So friends, today's topic is that buzzer circuit on Tinkercad using Arduino UNO board. Okay, so at first we should know what is buzzer. Buzzer is also known as Piezo Buzzer, are used for making beeps, alarms and tones, right? Also, buzzers can be found in alarm devices, computers, timers and confirmation of user input such as a mouse click or keystroke, right? So in my sketch, there are two inbuilt functions are used. One is tone, other is a no tone. Tone contain two arguments. One is a pin, which is actually digital pin number, whatever we sent in my sketch is concerned, and other is a frequency in hertz, right? So this function generates a square wave of specified frequency on the given pin. For example, if we send these two things, buzzer pin, which contain the pin number for digital pin is concerned, and 1000 means 1 kilohertz, right? Generates 1 kilohertz tone, means the sound signal, okay? And no tone, this function just send the pin number, okay, which stops the tone on the specified pin, okay? So this is the image we are given. This is a buzzer module and also this is a Piezo Buzzer module is given, and this image contained in the Tinkercad web application, where this plus and minus, this particular symbol is given. Plus just connect with the digital pin and minus is connected to the ground. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through Tinkercad web application, I will write the code and design the circuit for buzzer on Tinkercad using Arduino UNO board, right? So friends, I have already logged in my Tinkercad web application account. So at first we click on create and select circuits, right? From there, at first we find out just Arduino UNO and just select and just drag here in this section. And from there we just write here buzzer, B-U-Z-Z-E-R. This is the Piezo Buzzer, just take it from there. Okay, so this is the Arduino UNO board and this is the buzzer module. Okay, now circuit is very simple. We take, suppose for example, the green wire. This is the positive part or the section of this buzzer, and directly connect, suppose in my digital pin 8. Okay, and another wire, suppose black wire we are taken here, and just directly connect with the ground, right? So one pin directly connect with the digital pin. Here in my sketch is concerned, take 8 digital pin, which is connect with this plus this symbol, and minus is directly connect with the ground. Okay, so circuit is very simple. Now we write the sketch. So go to code and select from there only text and click continue. Whatever written, just remove it. And at first we declared the pin number for digital pin is concerned 8. So just write here int buzzer equal suppose 8. Okay, and now we just write here void setup, this particular inbuilt function, and at first we write here pin mode, this particular inbuilt function we need it, and send the argument the buzzer, means the digital pin 8 actually, and just send output as its another argument. Okay, so this is simple for void setup. And now just go to the void loop, which continuously going on, means for execution is just going on and on. Okay, now here we are using at first tone, this particular inbuilt function, and send at first the argument buzzer and just send 1000 for 1 kilohertz frequency is concerned. Okay, And now we put some delay, suppose delay for 1 second, so that's why 1000 millisecond. Again send no tone, this inbuilt function, and just send argument this buzzer, means the digital pin 8. Okay, and again put the delay 1000 millisecond for 1 second is concerned. Okay, then close our loop and put the name of this particular circuit and the sketch is concerned, just write here buzzer circuit. Okay, now we at first start simulation, just click on that, just see the sound is going on, just stop and again going on, one after another for 1 second delay. Okay, so this is a simple circuit for buzzer is concerned, where we just put the two different function in the sketch, one is the tone and is the no tone is concerned. Okay, so tone contain what? Tone contain one argument of this buzzer, this pin number, digital pin is concerned, and hertz as its another argument. Here send 1000 means 1 kilohertz, and no tone only send the buzzer, this particular pin number as its argument. We can do this program in different way also, just we comment these two inbuilt function. We can use a digital write, this function also can use for create the sound. Okay, so here we just write here digital write and then send argument the buzzer, this is the pin number, and just write here high, means when the sound is going on. And if we want no sound, then we just write here digital write and then send same way the buzzer adds the argument and just write low, means no sound. Same way it can run. So start simulation, just see, same but sound is different, right? So should remember, for that case what happened, when we using this tone we actually generate some music. Why? Because we are sending the hertz as its argument. Okay, but for digital write we can send the high low, so it just create the sound only. But normally we are using this tone and no tone, this function. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's topic is very simple, buzzer circuit on Tinkercad web application using Arduino UNO board. Okay, if you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Techno India Group and please share my video more and more. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.